All right, this is a box opening on a Amazon product. It's a fuel injector tester cleaner kit. I got this the other day, and I'm going to open it. Oh, the part number on it, you can click on the link below, or the link that's there, but it says X003WSJ0, that's actually an O, 1T. You can get it in blue, gray. Gray is a little cheaper. Injector cleaner kit. Yankee blue or Confederate gray, and just the injector cleaning kit. Okay, there's the last of the plastic tape. Okay. We have here some gator clips. And they go to a power plug. Here are adapter pieces, I think to attach the spray bottles to clean out injectors. We'll look at those maybe later. The injector tester here. Oh. No batteries because it uses power from the actual car battery that plugs into there. And I'll show you how this works. It also comes with instructions. And hopefully we're going to do more testing with this. But that is a box opening on the fuel injector tester cleaning kit. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up.